How to hide your TikTok following list. This tutorial shows you how to keep the people you follow private from other users. First, open the TikTok app on their device. After that, tap on Profile at the bottom right. From there, tap on the three lines menu at the top right. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy. In the next step, tap on Privacy. Following this, tap on Following List. Once done, select Only Me from the options shown. From here, your following list is now hidden from everyone else viewing your profile. At this stage, if you'd also like to hide your followers list, go back to Privacy and check for a similar followers list option. Keep in mind, turning on a fully private account adds an extra layer, since it also restricts who can view your videos and profile details overall, not just your following list. Finally, exit back to your profile once you've confirmed your following list privacy is set the way you want. And that's it. If this guide helped you hide your TikTok following list, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.